Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your ISP service is active and your account isn't suspended. This rules out external outages. Next, power cycle the modem and router, turn both off, wait 30 seconds, then power back on to clear transient faults. Once done, move your device within a few feet of the router and test connection. This isolates range issues versus hardware faults. Make sure to use a wired connection, if available, to compare speeds and determine whether Wi-Fi or the internet link is at fault. Now you run deeper diagnostics. Log into the router, check firmware, and update if an update fixes known bugs. Firmware often resolves stability issues. Then perform speed tests on a wired connection and on Wi-Fi to compare throughput and latency. This helps pinpoint whether wireless introduces packet loss. Next, examine Wi-Fi channels, crowded too. 4 GHz channels cause interference, so switch channels or move high bandwidth devices to 5 GHz. If DHCP or DNS seems slow, restart services, or for final fixes, perform a factory reset only if configurations are corrupted. Backup settings first so you can restore necessary customizations. Reposition the router, elevate it, angle antennas, and remove nearby metal or big electronics to improve signal propagation and reduce multipath interference. Once done, reconfigure SSID, security, and channel choices deliberately. If problems persist, collect logs, note exact times, and test results, and contact your ISP. Providing timestamps and log speeds diagnosis and avoids repeated basic troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.